Hare Krishna. Taifun number 13. Taifun Jusan. Must go see Amiga. Taifun there. Rajabhumi no jojo. Inside now, I don't know what to do. From where the water is coming. See this? All this everywhere. Water inside from here. See here in the field. The situation is more difficult. So much water. I don't know these plants and what will happen with them. I feel bad for Tulsi Maharani. So genki all Tulsi Maharani now. I don't know. I will try to fix them with support, but the soil is too soft to do anything. But Tulsi Maharani, I have to do something. And you see all the plants everywhere. Then the mizu ni lagnata. Flood warning level is 4 now, and I hope that the rain will reduce. Rain has to reduce now, otherwise this water will keep increasing. Arrange shimasta kedo. Koko de arrange suru to hokane te koro kara mizu ga arrange. Let's check the condition of books. What is the condition of books? Because that is also our responsibility. Yes, I worry about the books are okay. Water is not coming inside. Phone was I job me. Kaminadi to Mizu to Ame to phone was okay. Books no problem. That's very nice. That's Srila Prabhupada's mercy. Books nothing happened. So I will go because my legs, water will come inside, right? So that's good. That Krishna is protecting the books. But the situation is not good, and recovery will take 2-3 days. The boat is coming here, staying.